Good, and yourself?
Yeah, good, thanks.
I'm recording on a GoPro at the moment. Is that okay? You're not in any of the videos. It's just recording me working.
Oh, no worries.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Awesome. Here you go, that iced tea's ready. There you go. That's alright. Enjoy. So what can I get for you?
So I put an order in yesterday for Mavericks.
Yeah, what was your name for that?
Charles McShane.
I'll do this right here. Did you want a coffee?
I live just around the corner, so...
Yeah, I mean, amazing. And then you also get a free coffee when you pick up.
Oh,
so
great.
if you bought one.
Yeah, just a short black would be great.
Short black.
Thank you.
Okay. There you go, won't be long.
Fantastic, thank you.
That's okay. Any cold milk or water with it?
Sorry?
Did you want any cold milk or water in it? No? Awesome.
Straight down there. Thank you. Absolute cracker outside.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Finally getting some sun.
Very good.
Hey love, how you going?
Good, how are you?
Good, what can I get for you?
Can I get a large latte with a few maple?
No, we've got hazelnut caramel or vanilla.
And honey?
Yeah, I
I'll
can
do
do honey.
then.
You're not in the video, by the way, it's just recording
No.
the bench. There you go, love. There you go. Oh,
Thank you very much.
that's all right. Have a good one. Hey, it won't be a moment.
Please. Okay. Because we are on a special day today. What's special about today? Hey?
It's your birthday. Oh my goodness.
We're gonna say yes to the cookies today.
I love it. How old are you turning? 4. That's amazing, dude. One more year and then you would have been alive for half a decade.
Wanna dance?
Mm-hmm.
No dancing, but it's a good day to dance.
So what cookie were you gonna have? Hey love, how you going? Good. I won't be a moment. So you're starting to grab your own coffee. Have a good one. Hey.
Large cappuccino
Large cappuccino.
and crunchy lemon slice as well.
The lemon slice.
Lemon slice.
Anything else?
That's all. Thank you.
Just $10 for that. There you go. That's all right. How are we? Good. Might be a moment.
How's job capacity, job on these? How's nothing going?
We got another inspection this afternoon.
Yeah.
Missed out on the other two houses that we inspected at. Mainly because I just don't think we got to it in time. Like other people had already put out that he's mainly a cotton tree, but kind of works all over the place. So yeah. But like I don't mind that, you know, like the location is just so good and so central. Just for you today?
Yeah.
So we started looking at like Mountain Creek.
Yeah.
Oh no. Oh, we didn't have any bags. Mountain Creek. The boys are kind of like started bringing up Budroom, and I'm like, oh, I really don't want to do Budroom.
Yeah, it just depends whether they want to drive to work or not.
Yeah.
You're not gonna walk.
Yeah, in the end, it's then that's going to be more effective than anything. So, yeah, I don't know, see how we go with it.
That's it, yeah. Well, even like Virginia's pretty simple too, like in and around Lake Virginia, that area there.
Yeah.
Yeah, you can get,
But in the end, it's going to be up to the boys in that sense, because, you know, their work, their gym and everything's in Maroochydore. Whereas it'll make my life a lot easier.
yeah.
Not that it's hard at the moment, like I'm not complaining, but... I've got some birthday baby chinos ready. Okay, we don't have any marshmallows at the moment, I'm really sorry.
That's right.
Cool.
7 o'clock in the morning.
There you go.
Hey, you got to come sit down for your chinos.
Back in the grind, mate?
Yeah, one for Chrissy. So, enjoy it yourself.
Yeah, back here, mate. Had a job last week. Just an operation done. After I ran the way, and then I'm taking them up off. Pretty excited about. Well, sort of from 8 to December.
Yeah, that's right.
First decent break in about 7 or 8 years. So, I'm excited for that. There's a property up in Mission Beach, right up Queensland. And head up there and start.
You got a property up in Mission Beach?
Yeah.
How
Got an
sick.
acre.
Love that.
Rainforest and
Are you
then I was
kidding?
I got 20 meters of beach front.
Insane.
Yeah, so pretty excited to get up there and start doing some stuff on the property.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's nice though. Big, mate. Yeah, I was right there at the outside. Took it all for granted. You just realise that. Yeah. My old man ran fishing charters and my younger brothers picked that up, you know, and he's on it. So, on the Great Barrier Reef every day and it's like the bloody dream and
Yeah, when you're looking at it like on a map, like geographically, like, you know, I think it's the closest to the actual Great Barrier Reef on mainland Australia.
it is 27 nautical miles, mate.
Yeah, because that's what I've always said to like my wife. I'm like, if there's one place I can rely on, like a block of land and just sit on it.
Yeah.
That'd be the thing to do.
It's just a like.
Hey Jerry, how you going? Good.
You go somewhere special every day.
What's this going on here?
This is some filming if I have your permission.
Oh, no.
You're not in any of the videos, just your voice. You're rapping. You wear, is that what you wore?
Yeah, that's it.
Oh, so cool.
2 kilos later.
There you go, 550
Thank you.
things.
Cancer town ago, so that's made the hospital. But also, the Great Barrier Reef, it's like, you know, the 50
That's alright.
That's not pretty excited, mate. Yeah,
Hey, love, how you going? I've got a GoPro running at the moment. Are you okay with that? I've just got a GoPro filming. Are you okay with that? Yeah. You know, in any of the videos, it'll just be capturing your voice. And... Yeah. Just putting some stuff on social media on YouTube. So people love watching videos of rush hours and yeah. Got yours on it. Small soy, fat white, isn't it? Yeah, definitely. Do you know what the dates are?
About the 18th of December to just after Christmas.
Okay.
Do you reckon that
Cool.
will suit?
It could potentially, but we just have to have a chat more about
Yeah,
it.
because
Yeah.
I've got a beautiful house with a pool, and you want, have you got a partner?
Yeah, I do.
Welcome to both stay there, of course. And
Yeah.
like, invite your friends over for Christmas Day.
Yeah, and we'll truck them up.
Yeah. No, for sure. What am I? Oh.
I'll fill the food up, fridge up with food. Not vegan.
No. I mean, you know, if you're vegan, 100%, but no, we love our meat, so.
So I'll fill the fridge up with food and ham and seafood and stuff for you.
Yeah. Awesome.
So I'll give you my details.
Yeah, I'll grab your number